I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Thunderstorms developing near a cold front continue to track southeast through this evening. Those storms could be severe from this late afternoon through this evening at 10 with wind gust up to 60 and $50 size hail. There is a slight risk of severe storms, a level 2 of 5 for locations of central and eastern Nebraska that are along and north of I-80 or along and east of a line from Valentine to North Platte. Behind that cold front, highs cool into the 80s for tomorrow and Friday. Due to that cold front sinking farther south into Kansas than previously expected, chances for non-severe thunderstorms tomorrow through Friday are now lower. A ridge of high pressure building north from the southern plains warms our highs to the 90s to around 100 on Saturday and the mid-90s to the mid-100s for Sunday and Monday. Other than a few thunderstorms along and north of Highway 92, Saturday through Monday is dry. Slight chances of thunderstorms return by Monday night into Tuesday as highs drop slightly into the 90s. For the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are very likely in Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week before a trend of seasonal to slightly warmer than normal temperatures late next week through August 5th. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall Monday through the first 5 days of August likely to be slightly above normal. Key weather factors driving the markets include increased heat, but with good rainfall across the Corn Belt, dry areas in the Black Sea region, and improving rainfall in the northern plains, Canadian prairies, Europe, and Australia. Moisture continues to wrap around a ridge of high pressure over the central and eastern U.S. That moisture, interacting with a series of cold fronts, maintains rainy weather from the northern and central plains into the Midwest and Northeast. Many areas are likely to receive 5-day rainfall of 1 to 3 inches. Significant rain also falls along the Gulf Coast, especially from southern Louisiana into western Florida. Underneath the dome of high pressure, hot, mostly dry weather prevails from the southern plains into the mid-south, possibly causing a flash drop. This weekend, a cold front across the northern plains produces scattered rain that moves through the Midwest early next week. Behind that front, cooler air may not make it to the Gulf, but most areas are likely to feel relief from the heat. Towards the northern plains, multiple rounds of rain continue the good growing conditions into early next month. The Canadian prairies expect rain nearly every day through next week, Manitoba the exception with a bigger need of rain. Europe is seeing milder temperatures with scattered rain in the central and east and even occasional rain in the west. The northern and far western Black Sea region only expecting spotty rain the rest of this week, helping out with the wheat harvest but not developing corn in serious need of rain. Warmer than normal temperatures are also increasing the crop stress in the Black Sea region. Australia expects widespread rain to continue into early next week, reducing the drought for much of the winter wheat and canola before they get into the reproductive stages next month. With the check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.